Divide, do you want to introduce him?
Yes, I would like to.
Need to know.
Yes, I met him when I booked him on BET's Comic View, and he's been on countless movies.
Yeah, I've done a few things.
Oh yeah, and you'll see him on the second season of The Real Husbands of Hollywood.
Second season, yeah.
Everyone, please give it up for G-Thing.
I don't live down the street. I drove far. Yeah, I'm all out that other way where the palm tree's still alive.
Looking real on point tonight, too.
So, G-Thing.
You know, he knows to lead the hood. That's good.
Yeah.
So, G, tell us about what's going on. You know what I mean?
Man, we got something spectacular that's going to kick off June 27th. It's called Showtime in Hollywood. And what we're doing is we're doing a great event that we're bringing out artists, rappers, poetries. We're bringing out everybody. We're going to make the next superstar. We got all kinds of celebrities coming from Tank on down to, I want to say Garth Brooks. We got everybody named Mama coming to this event. Rooftop 3100. June 27th is the kickoff, and I mean it's going to be...
Is that the rooftop downtown where you go? Is that
yeah, Rooftop 3100. Right
is that in
3100 Wilshire.
3100 Wilshire?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Kicking it off down there.
What is the event about? I mean, what's...
let me explain a little bit.
Break it down to him.
Okay, I worked in radio for 9 years under the Steve Harvey brand, and I realized that only 2% of new artists actually have a shot to getting on radio. So I said, I have to do something about it because I get hit up all the time by artists that say, Alvaro, I want to be represented by you, but they can't afford me, and then I feel bad, I can't go to sleep. So I said, you know what? Let me create an event where I can invite my executive friends, and then I could get all of these people who want me to represent them, and they could be seen. So what I'm doing now is this show where you could be a comedian, a rapper, spoken word,
everything,
a band, exactly, and you could come out and you could be seen. And the entry fee is just $150. You know, I don't know if you guys know this, but 111,000 people move to LA every single year to make it. But there's no place for them to be seen by executives. They end up playing their guitar at a Starbucks or something like that.
Yeah, they all sitting on Hollywood.
See what happened?
Hold on. We can sing together, but we can't talk together.
Absolutely.
Listen to this. Now, a lot of people on Hollywood sitting there, they got guitars, they got all kind of things. They got great talent, so I know what you mean. And then they never get a shot at the title.
Right.
So this is what you're giving them, G.
We're giving them an opportunity to get in front of the real people and bypass the agent and the manager. You get a chance to get in front of them and showcase your skills. And because everybody's always looking for that next big thing.
So once you showcase it, if you be that next big thing, what's the prize? What happened? Do you go to Disneyland, get 2 tickets in a hotel?
We're going to develop you,
and the matching the lot shirts. You get your shirts to match. Yeah. No.
Here's the structure of the show. The show is going to...
strung that out there.
The show is going to be from 8:30 to 10:30, and you're going to perform. As soon as the show is done, it's not, okay, go home, goodbye. Our staff is going to be there ready. If you're a comedian and you want to meet G-Thing, we're going to make it happen. Really? If you're an artist and you want to be, you want to make it, we're going to introduce you to Tank, who's actually going to be performing for our very first show on June 27th, and he's bringing his friends Genuine and Tyrese, so make sure you come out. So the point is, when you come in, we're not just going to say, okay, display your talent, go home. We're going to say, display your talent, and here's some connections so you can make it happen.
Star just walked in. Give it up for Star.
Yeah, you got to do that.
Hey, Star. See, you have somebody that can come to the show and showcase his talent. So pretty much anybody that's from a comedian.
Right, to poetry, to singing, to R&B, to rapping.
Anything across the board.
Anything across the board, because Hollywood is the base where everybody comes to feel their dreams.
Everybody does, but it's really hard to find an outlet for people to be seen.
I was talking to somebody just yesterday. I don't know, what did you turn it out? Somebody we was talking about. Here people live here in California and never even got a chance to go to Hollywood. It's a motivation to get up
How about
there.
that? How about that?
Huh?
It's a ton of talent. It's a lot of cats that was better than Michael Jordan, but didn't get the opportunity to shine and show their skills. This is the platform that we're giving everybody in Hollywood to come down June 27th to Rooftop 3100 and showcase your skills and meet executives from BET, Arista Records, everywhere. They all coming out to showcase their talent. You're gonna get a chance to meet some of the top dogs.
Hey, can I bring Spanky and Lil G with me?
Yeah, but we're gonna charge them. Yeah,
all right, Spanky and us, he got money here. So look,
y'all put maneuvers in.
Hey, we got to start getting it together. Hey, look here, put Lil G, put Spanky on the show. Put somebody on the show over there.
That really matter.
Yeah, that we know about, huh?
Preach.
G-Thing and Spank, them my cats 100 grand. I've been knowing these cats for years and on top of years. So I already know they bona fide.
See there? Y'all heard it on the Don Juan show. Got it from another comedian. They bona fide. We're going to leave y'all with that. Going straight to some music.
Listen to some music, baby.
We coming back with some more G-Thing.
Absolutely. Let them
Ain't
use
nothing
you.
but a G-Thing, babe.